Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of I Don't Know His Majesty's a Girl, chapter 76. So here it is. Let's read the story. Now, Xinyan is asking the little queen, why is there a hammock here? I didn't like to sleep in the bed when I was a child. I want to learn how to sleep on the roof. But when I was a child, I was fat. My parents were worried that the roof could not hold me, so I made a hammock overnight. Oh, she's really getting tricky. I am tired today too, so let's take a step and let's sleep. I told my mother that you are afraid of the cold. Oh, she's been taking care of Xinyan, right? Don't think about anything during this time. Just have fun. You are not the emperor, just my sweetheart. What a sweet little queen. Xinyan, she moved closer to her and said to her, you were, thank you. She kissed her gently on the forehead. Well, this is really good, right? Two of them can finally relax, enjoying this day without any thinking of political affairs. Especially, it's like a vacation. Why do you always say thank you to me? Little Queen is asking Xinyan, thank you for loving me. Thank you for giving me a real home too. Xinyan, she was really happy. Also, the relationship with the Little Queen is really getting better. Xinyan, my kite is flying taller than yours. Be careful, so don't fall. Xinyan said to the little queen. Try it. I'll go after you. What should I do? If I collapse, parents will definitely laugh. If you don't say it, I don't say it. You won't know. Little queen said to her. Well, after playing almost whole day, finally, it's a family time again. Look at them. They seems to be happy. Well, the little queen's family is really warm on Xinyan's. Such a big person still climb on the hammock. Follow him nonsense. Fortunately, it's not high. If it's hurt, how can it be better? Oh, Xinyan, she was blushing. You say your parents would know. Only when there is a sound. The moment is so loud. How can I not know? Oops. Goodbye, Big No. I said it was me who fell. Little girl was either here or there was a big fog. It's medicated all effect and it's very good. Now Xinyan, she's still blushing, even though she was really shy towards the family. Now, the little queen, she's really getting tricky. Now, she was really laughing hard. And Xinyan, still, her face is turning red. Well, the little queen is really cunning. It's great. Their parents, brothers and sister, there you were. Well, it really feeling great. Xinyan, she kept herself in silent. Well, she was really happy that she has also a family. Hughes' family is really accepted her. Well, definitely, she is also a good person. That's why she's been accepted. It's wine and a kite and also cooks by sister to make two sets of new clothes for you. I'm not afraid to empty my parents' house when I came back. Now, this kid, this is really the same as before. Her father told her, looking at her mother. They seems to be happy. Of course, the little queen, it's like a clown. She is always making happy everyone's in the family. To give it to Mingwei and Alan, I don't know if a big fat is enough. Little Queen said to Xinyan. Well, Xinyan, she hugged her closely. Mom and Dad, you were just drunk two more glasses of wine. It's estimated that she's drunk, so I will take her back to the yard first. Xinyan said to the mother. Well, definitely, they really understand her. Looking at the little queen, it seems that she's really falling asleep. But right now, her parents is always there, guiding the two of them. What happened in the palace? Or I have something to tell us. Little Queen's father got really concerned. Well, definitely. Xinyan and the little queen right now, they were sitting on the hammock. Look at them. They're really so cute. Well, this kind of multiplication is really good for the two of them. Let's see on what will happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.